Welcome to Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Siwelele 0. My brother, unjani mfethu?
Ngobo kunjani bhuti wami?
Ngiyaphila njani bhuti?
Cela ukubuza one thing Ngobo.
Yeah.
Abantu bake behambe bebe bias Ngobo. First time besine coach la. Yabuya yaxoshwa.
Yeah.
Coach le mfethu Ngobo, abantu abaningi ukuthi thina se bias. Coach le ibine something ibiyenza. First 5 games besidlala kahle. 6 games a lose. Game esikhukhuna siluzile 3-1 was much better. Besimesa ama chance was much better. Today kunalama coach abafuna ukwalawula. Ama management wonke bafuna ukulawula icoach abazoyilawula. Le coach ayixoxwa ngibona ihlulwe ngama results because ufuna ukulawulwa. Nama fan ayimfowethu asifundeni nathi supporteni team. Sihlukane nama coach.
Yeah.
Silanda umsebenzi njengethembisa branch. Sihlukane nama coach. La ama coach mfethu la ahlulekayo. Abazowakhipha. Uye kufakwa yini coach? Noma kungafaka uPitso Masima out yami lama fans nathi kumele sizame ukubehave ngenye indlela singalwisa ama coach phela amafuna ubona ama fans alahlekile kunomuntu ongamayindi ukuthi angene egroundini uzibuza utona lo muntu mfethu sakuphi ngo ngoba sikhulelekini lapha sifikelekini singabantu izintwana siyakwazi anyone ifan isifuna ine power understand into engazwani la mina ngoba out yami
yini kumele ishintshe going forward.
Going forward Ngobo kumele kutholakala icoach eba ne direction ukuthi ilwisa ama players bengamlawuli phela now lezi players la ama coach akhona mawubona ubda lezi ntwana manje ama coaches yawalawula sikhuluma nge changing room first time le coach eliqotshileyo ku changing room ongalamuntu othi opixayo le management bongala umuntu engenayo kula under la coach understand la coach ibingathathi ibingekho bias so thina sabuya kwaMamelo Thomas kwaMamelo kuthiwa ngoba noNkululeko kwaba bias so saba lapha understand kwaba kanjalo
No, siyabonga kakhulu.
ngiyabonga Ngobo.
Ngiyabonga.